Parin Jojo. You're one of the pillars who built Junior Falcons. So I'm very grateful na nakasama ka namin dito and honored to be your friend, one of the family, and of course, your support system, like of course, yung wife mo na dyan, Belay, Jaja, and your bunso. Hindi ka tumatanda. Miss na miss ka na namin dito sa Doha. Sana makadalaw ka ulit. Miss you. Happy birthday, pare. We love you here in Doha. Junior Falcons forever. Boss Jojo, parin Jojo. And alam ko nasa mabuti kang kalagayan. All the best sa'yo. Sana makabalik ka rito, mamasyal ka man lang. And don't worry, si Puldong, may pasalubong sa'yo.
We wish you all the best along with your family. Sana ma-enjoy mo tong special day mo na to. We miss you here. We miss you here. We miss you here. God bless you always.
I miss you so much, pre. Gusto na. Happy birthday. Ingat palagi. Ingat sila, Mari. Sa akin dalawang buninay.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Jojo. I wish you all the best and I hope you coach us again in Junior Falcons. Coach Jojo, all the best. Thank you for all your teachings. Wish all the best, coach.
Hello, Prinjay. Parin Jojo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday sa inyong dalawa. God bless always.
Pops! Happy birthday, Pops! May the Lord bless you and keep you safe palagi. Mag-ingat ka. I love you.
Mga kumpare kong tunay, lusugan at mahaba pang buhay. Naway patuloy tayo pagpalain ng Panginoon. Mahal na mahal ko kayo.
I wish ko lang na your good health.
Ingat kayo lagi. Mga problema. Pray lang tayo.
Wish ko maging malusog at humaba pa ang ating buhay. Kaya, shot mo na.
Kailan tayo ulit kakana. Enjoy pare. Paki-FC ka naman pagbalik mo.
Miss ka na namin dito sa Lubo.
Yun, may dala ka pala doon.
Oo.
Very good ka doon.
Asahan mo yan. Ha?
Pare, good health sa inyo. Alam nyo, basta darating ko September 7 at October 3, hindi ko nalilimutan yan. Dahil September 7, birthday ni paring Jay. At October 3, birthday ni paring Jojo. Baliktad pala. Si paring Jojo ang October 7, si paring Jay ang October 3. At good health. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Brad. God bless you. Naway patnubayan ka lagi ng Panginoon. Ingatan ka. At ang buong family.
May birthday to come. And 50 years old ka na. Mag-ingat ka palagi and God bless. I love you. Mama, chuk chuk.
Hi Jay! Masaya ako na nagsiselebrate kayo together with the whole family and how I wish I could celebrate it with you guys. I miss you both, especially when I reminisce on our childhood na magkakalaro pa tayo, and look at us now. We're all career-driven, family-driven people, and I thank God for all the blessings that He is giving you guys and us, to the whole family. And I always wish and I always hope that we will continue to serve the Lord and of course be at peace for the rest of our lives. Be happy and witness all the wonders of God's gift to us. You are very, very blessed, and do not forget that. And of course, be blessings. So be a blessing to people around you. I know you're continually blessing them anyway. Hi also to Ate Neats and Kuya Roger. Happy anniversary. Truly my forever. And you are actually a witness, or shall I say a proof na meron talagang forever. Honeymoon. To Dwayne, I was told it's your 18th birthday as well. There are so much promises of life bound for you. So do not waste that. Always remember, be grounded. Always be guided by God's grace. Always pray. Yan ang sinasabi sa atin niya, Jordan. Kabataan ngayon, very weak. Always base your strength to God's promises. Yun lang. Melay, happy of course. I can't wait to see you as well and meet you. Be happy, enjoy life, and celebrate, guys. Okay? Take care. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Coach Jojo!